Alright, Killgreed here, and I'm going to do a quick little review and a little paper test of this knife that I got a few days ago. It's called Super Knife. I guess that's the name of the manufacturer or whatever. It's a little gold-plated little pocket knife, It was $15 on Amazon. So this is it. It's not that big. It can fit within the palm of your hand here. Right, just a little knife, little pocket knife. On the Amazon ad, it's a superimposed picture. It makes it look like it's a 6-7 inch knife or something. That's flip blade. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, just a little knife. Flick it up like that. It just says stainless steel on one side and then made in that country you're probably thinking of. That isn't the United States, sadly. That other country, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get to testing it out on paper. Let's see what we got. This is a little piece of a light bill. Oh, we met some resistance right there at the end right here. It could be me and the way I'm holding the paper. Who knows? Didn't get much there. Oh, that was a clean slice. Almost another clean one. I'm trying to do it quickly to where if it's that sharp, it'll be a clean slice, If not, then it'll resist. Let's try right down the middle here and see if we can curve it a little bit and it stays with the slice. Not really. This knife isn't the sharpest knife, obviously. Now it'll take hairs off of my arm. I'm starting to get a bald spot right there. You see? We'll take hairs off, dead skin or whatever. Nice little, somewhat of a bald spot. Don't know if I can. It's right around in here somewhere. Little bald spot there. Now that I've used it on hairs, let's see if going back to the paper helps. Not really. Obviously, it'll stab through it. Let's see there. Oh, that was clean. I guess it's just hit or miss. That was almost another clean one right there. That went underneath there a little bit, but it looks clean from the route it took. Anyway, another stab right there at the end. But yeah, this is I guess you could call it the Super Knife. There's no branding on the actual knife itself other than made in China and stainless steel on the other side. Has a little clip, little hook right here, whatever, and I guess a window smasher there. Skeletonized little design right there, skeletonized on the other side as well. So yeah, this is the Super Knife. Do not get this confused with the big knife. If you go on Amazon, which it is on Amazon, I got there just by typing in gold-plated knives. But you see this, it's going to be like laying down like this on the picture, and it's going to look all big and like it's a 6-inch blade itself, you know what I mean? And the whole knife's like 8-9 inches long. It's going to look big, but it is not. Like I said, fits in the palm of my hand. It's even smaller than my M-Tech here that I've already done a review on. So, you know, that should tell you a little bit about the scale of it. Anyway, it was average, you know. It had some clean slices, had not so much clean slices, a little bit of resistance, you know. Took some hairs off the arm. A little average knife. I guess you could carry it. Use it on whatever, you know, average stuff. It's not the sharpest knife in the shed, you know what I'm saying? So, there we go. Super knife. Peace out.